Domestic animals. Cow. This is a cow. What is the name of this animal? Cow. What is the name of this animal?
Cow.
Very good. Dog. This is a dog. What is the name of this animal?
Dog.
Very good. Cat. This is a cat. What is the name of this animal?
Cat.
Very good. Goat. This is a goat. What is the name of this animal?
Goat.
Ox. This is an ox. What is the name of this animal?
Fox.
Very good. Donkey. This is a donkey. What is the name of this animal?
Donkey.
Very good. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. What is the name of this animal?
Rabbit.
Very good. Sheep. This is a sheep. What is the name of this animal?
Sheep.
Very good. Buffalo. This is a buffalo. What is the name of this animal?
Buffalo.
Very good. Camel. This is a camel. What is the name of this animal?
Camel.
Very good. Horse. This is a horse. What is the name of this animal?
Horse.
Pig. This is a pig. What is the name of this animal?
Pig.
Domestic birds. Rooster. This is a rooster. What is the name of this bird?
Rooster.
Hen. This is a hen. What is the name of this bird?
Hen.
Duck. This is a duck. What is the name of this bird?
Duck.
Turkey. This is a turkey. What is the name of this bird?